Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to use Gling AI to edit YouTube videos faster. But before we start, if you want to try Gling AI yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get started and edit your videos faster with AI. So, let's get started. First, just go to Gling AI and log in into your account. First of all, the first thing that you can do, if you are going to use this for YouTube editing, it's better to connect your YouTube. So just go to the top right and you will find connect your YouTube. Just go and click on it. If you didn't find it there, you can click on your profile like name, as you can see at the top right, and you'll find also connect YouTube here, and both will take you to the same page. So just go and connect your YouTube accounts, click on continue, give it access. So for me, in this specific account, I don't have a specific channel. So let me just resolve that. So once I did this, I just click here on continue, give it the access to view my channel, and as you can see, I'll find URN. So you can get ready to create your videos. Example, you can open the desktop app, or if you don't have it downloaded yet, you can download it for Windows. Specifically, if you don't want to use it, or if you don't want to keep using it for or inside Google Chrome or Edge, since it's only works in these two browsers. So if you want to use it, otherwise you'll have to download it. As you can see, this is a Brave browser and I cannot use it there. So anyway, as you can see, first of all, you will need to know that Gling AI is basically best for editing the annoying stuff, like cutting pauses, removing mistakes, and stuff like that. It can basically remove bad takes, cut silences, remove filler words, and help basically turn a long raw recording into a cleaner first edit. Gling describes itself as an AI video editor made for YouTube creators, specifically for removing bad takes and silence moments. So if your video is mostly music, cinematic shorts, or heavily affected, like heavily has some effects, Gling is not the best tool for the full edits yet. You can use it mainly for the rough cuts. So you can upload an example, your full video that is raw, you still haven't edited yet. An example, they do have here an example projects. So what it will do is basically it will transcribe your video and you can edit using this transcribe. So you'll see here all the takes, as you can see that it's removed. So an example here, he's trying many times, and those are bad takes. It removes them automatically. Of course, you can add them later. You can move something at the front and stuff like that. You'll be able to do many things. I've did a video explaining how to use Gling AI. You can go and check it later. You can enhance it, add caption, add zooms, add b-rolls, enhance video. You can do whatever you want. So one of the things that I didn't mention before, let me just go back. We have is basically this inspire me. This can generate fresh video ideas inspired by your activity in your channel. So once you connect your YouTube channel, it can generate you that, and it can help you basically create YouTube videos if you're stuck and don't know what to do. So as we said, first of all, you'd like to upload your video on Gling AI. You can just upload it, as you can see from here. Click on it and upload your video. Upload all your raw videos, like your camera, your voice, and everything. So once you do that, just let Gling create the first cuts. As you can see, this was a long video. Like the video was 5 minutes and it's become only like 51 seconds at lastly. So they did 98 cuts. So you can view the last video, how it's like. So you can see how this look like. As you can see, it will skip all of that. And basically, since, okay, I added this by mistake. So it's did all the boring skips for me. So here you can show cuts, you can remove cuts if you want to just see the whole video. So 5 minutes video become just 50 minutes or 40 seconds. And this is done automatically. So just upload and let Gling create your first cuts. It will remove everything. It can automatically remove silences and filler words and everything that I mentioned before. Of course, for you can here review the transcripts. This is helpful. You can read your video like text. If you repeated the sentence, you can find it faster. If Gling removes something by mistake, you can catch it here. Transcripts basically is useful for YouTube because it helps you see the structure of your video. So you can basically from here quickly check if did the intro make sense, did I repeat the same point, did I leave in a mistake. So you can read through the main parts and fix anything that looks wrong through this transcripts. You can also click at a specific word and it will show you the exact point of this video where it is, where you can, example, make more edit there if you want to. You can remove long pauses as well if you want to. And normally these things are usually done by Gling AI. You don't have to do it as well, but you can make fixes afterwards if you feel like it, if you prefer something as example. And of course, also if you want to try Gling AI, you can use my link down below in the description to get started and edit your videos faster with AI. So now you like Let's Link did everything for you. It removes all the things that we talked about. It's done all the boring work. Now you can come as example to this enhance option. It is very useful. So this video initially didn't have any captions, but since we have transcripts, adding captions is very easy. As you can see, one single click, it does not even take time. So it will add caption, as you can see here. Once you click on it, you can edit the caption style however you want. You can, example, add a specific style if you didn't like the styles provided here. Other than that, you can add some auto zooms at specific moments. You can zoom as example to a specific point. You can center to face. You can make it smooth, and you can apply it on all the zooms. So once you enable the zoom, it will add the zooms on specific like timings. It will add b-rolls also if you wanted to add b-rolls. So other than zooms, they have b-rolls. It can enhance video if you have some noise, as example. Maybe you don't have the perfect noise. If you don't have the perfect speech, you can enhance the speech or you can denoise the audio if you have bad audio. Other than that, you have this AI studio, and basically it will add some customized AI background. If you're recording, example, your face and you do have a bad background, dark area will be switched to AI generated background. As you can see, it will generate a background on specific timing. So since the video here it will show, as example, my face on I don't know how much of times, it will generate it for each of those times. And you can choose specific images or AI backgrounds depending on what they generated here or what's it generated. So I'll just wait for it until it generates something to show you the output so you can have an idea about it. So yeah, as you can see right here, so it will keep this, and as you can see, this dark areas can be removed or can be changed depending on whatever you want. And of course, this is with the help of AI. It will make it, as an example, looks better, looks smoother, doesn't look like very dark, specifically if you have like some bad background. So, example, you can do that along the way. You can make, as example, the changes on just some specific areas. You can make this smaller, as you can see. So this is what should not be changed and the other should be changed, and etc. And you can choose depending of the suggestions right here. And of course, once you change the size of what it should change, you can click on generate again, so it will generate a better background. So it's totally up to you. So yeah, that's what it can do. Of course, it can also restore some clips depending on music, gaming, whatever you want, if it removes some clips. You can also add effects, an example, like zooms here and whatever you want. So you have many things to add. And the important parts or the good parts, it does all of this by its own. It just have an idea and it will put it on the video to make it better. So if you normally have a long video that will take you 2 hours, 3 hours, with Gling AI, it can take you only 10 minutes. And of course, the 10 minutes just to check the outputs that it makes, because I'm sure that you'll be satisfied with it. So now that you are done, you check the video outputs, example, and you like what it does. So what you can do now is just simply export the video. So click at the top right, export, and you have here many options to export. You can export the video, the audio, subtitles, shorts, if you want to, as example, add shorts to your videos or to your YouTube channel. And here for video also, it has settings. You can add or change the bitrates, frame per second, sample bitrate. You can reset to default and export it. Of course, you can even export it to Adobe Premiere, to Resolve, to CapCut, to FCP, whatever you want. You can export an example to another edited or another editor if you want to add more effects that cannot be added by Gling AI, since Gling AI is only to remove cuts and things like that. So once you're done, once it's exported, you can just go now, as example, to your YouTube channel and basically upload your video. So it's done now. Click on create, upload your video, and go and upload your video. So the best workflow basically for YouTubers is that. So Record your video, upload it to Gling AI, let AI remove silences, filler words, and bad takes, review the transcript, fix any wrong cuts, and export the rough cuts. Then you can finish any final touches in your normal editor. This will save you time because it's rough, or the rough cuts usually is the most boring part of editing, so you don't have to do it anymore. You still control basically the final video and you can add anything that you want later. And yeah, that's basically it. And of course, one last time and again, if you want to try Gling AI yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get started and edit your videos faster with AI. So yeah, that's how you use Gling AI for YouTube editing. You can just try it yourself. They do have a free plan. I didn't mention that before. And check Gling AI yourself. So I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.